Tickets are on sale for the 2018 Birch Supper. The event is Wednesday, January 31st, 2018 at the historic Georgia Railroad Depot in Atlanta beginning at 5 p.m. This event brings state officials, local businesses, professional and government personnel for a dinner of quail and important conversation. Tickets may be purchased for $50 each at the Lowndes County Judicial Administrative Complex or the city clerk at Valdosta City Hall. For more information, contact Paige Dutes at 229-671-2400 or Samantha Matthews at 229-259-3548.